Good morning, students. Welcome to Computer Online class. On the last turn, we have started Unit 3rd, that was Database Management System. We have studied some of its part, and today we will be continuing the remaining part. So let's start the chapter. The first topic on this turn is relational database. What is relational database? A relational database is a type of database that stores and provides access to data points that are related to one another. So relational database, it is a type of data which stores and which provides us the access to the data points that are related to one another, means that shows some relation. The software handling relational database is called RDBMS, which stands for Relational Database Management System. So RDBMS means Relational Database Management System. It is a software which is handling relational database. Tables are used to hold information about the objects to be represented in database. So tables are used to hold the information about the objects which are represented in the database. In a relational database, each row in the table has a record with a unique ID called the keys. So in relational database, each row in the table is a record which is having a unique ID which we call keys. So example is Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle DBMS, database MS MySQL, and IBM DB2. Here we are able to see the relational database. Example of a relational database, we are having two tables. First one is of teachers and second one is of classes. So relational database, so it is showing the relation. See, teachers ID, name, office, phone, email, etc. Then classes, class ID, course code, day of week, time start, time ends, and teachers ID. What is common in these two tables? Teachers ID is common. So teachers ID is the relational, is showing the relation over here. So it is a relational database. Tables, an object of database. So tables are an object of a database. What is object of database? A database object is any defined object in a database that is used to store or reference data. So a database object is it is defined as object in the database which is used to store or reference data. Anything which makes from create command is known as database object. Anything which we make from the create command, it is known as a database object. So next is table. A table is a set of data element values having rows and columns. As we have studied from the earlier classes also, what is table? It is a set of data elements which is having some value which is in the form of the rows and columns. A table have a specified number of columns but can have any number of rows. Table is having specified number of columns but it can have any number of the rows. Syntax is given here of the create command. Create table name, column, data type, default expr. Then what is the syntax? Create table. We have to create a table, then we have to write the table name, then in bracket we have to show the column data and the default expr. Then example is given here that create data DEPT department number 2, department name varchar 214, dlog varchar 230. Elements of a table. So what are the elements of the table? So you can see it is the column names, then key field, then fields column, then table, then rows, column value. You can differentiate between all these by seeing in this diagram. Zoom the diagram and then see it. Key is an attribute or set of attribute which helps you to identify a row tuple in a relation table. So key is an attribute or the set of the attributes which helps us to identify a row that is a tuple in a relation, means table. They allow you to find the relation between two tables. It helps us to find the relation between the two tables. Key helps you uniquely identify a row in a table by combination of one or more column in that table. So key helps us to uniquely identify the rows in the table by the combination of one or more columns in that particular table. For example, in person table, his passport number, driving license number, phone number, email address is key since they are unique for each person. For example is given here of a person table, his passport number, driving license number, then phone number, email address, and is the key since they are the unique for each person. So they are having the unique identity. Then now the types of keys. How many types of keys are there? Primary key, composite primary key, then alternate key, then candidate key, and the foreign key. These all are the keys which we'll be studying on the next turn. The explanation of this will be having on the next turn. Till then, revise all what I have given you on this turn and complete all the work. Thank you.